Now we do.
Yeah, now we do.
love
Before
you.
we didn't, we kind
The
of...
last show and now you.
That's right, the last one, and now all the Ginsu knives are gone.
Oh,
there's no more knives.
No
No
more
more
knives.
knives.
No more.
No,
We really
just
love that.
bullets.
Thanks, Auntie. Okay, now, anyway, this letter comes from Joanna Lomu. Dear Barnes and Barnes.
And
And
Auntie
here,
Tala.
Eh,
you forget about me.
Dear Barnes and Barnes, ... and Auntie Tyler. Happy?
yeah.
Are you
I'm happy.
happy? Hey. I've made it into my school first team.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah,
First
good
dream.
Amazing.
Precious Jensen.
First
Jen.
You know, quite fine.
Fresh for Chinatown. Yes, it's when I was in France. Yeah, I studied linguistics.
Obviously, Joanna is not a boy, and she's a girl,
Yeah.
and she wants to play first for Trent.
So what's
Yeah.
wrong with that?
Well, the parents say no.
Why?
Because she's a girl.
So
you know, girls should
what?
go and play netball or
That
something.
is so wrong.
That's wrong.
We New Zealand have a women prime minister. Why can't we have this young Pacific girl play in the first Chinatown?
I know. We can do
Yeah.
everything and anything. And
Yes.
sometimes a lot of us, like us, we're good
Yeah.
at nothing.
Excuse me?
What?
Some of you not good at anything.
Yeah.
Don't put me in that circle, no.
Oh.
I am a square. You can't force me in a circle. Don't fit.
Oh, no,
Yeah.
Joanna needs to grow some rugby balls and
Yeah.
just do it. You know? She just has to go, sorry, Mom and Dad.
Yeah.
I'm gonna play with rugby balls.
But you know what? I agree with the parents. Let the guys play rugby.
Why?
Auntie, you
Because-
just
It's her passion.
Yeah, but you have to look like this to be a rugby player.
Look like what?
The first guy.
Mr. Lover.
Hi, my name is Chris Tupo and I'm currently training to be in the NYC squad for the Junior Warriors. I'm proud to be Samoan because of our heritage and because of our genetics.
Wow, look at her.
Wow.
Joanna doesn't look like that.
No, Joanna.
It's good to be fit and healthy because you look good, you feel good, the whole environment around you will be good. You know you're fresh when you try to work on your arms on a leg machine.
Hey, why don't we have a fresh skills segment?
I think we're gonna do that next season.
Girls know how to lose weight
no,
too and be
two of us are
training.
messing now.
So what's your final advice for Joanna?
I think
Yeah,
just
just say
leave
it.
your family. All of us, we are not happy in our family.
Why are you not happy? Tell us. What's happened?
It's when Sunny Pill went to Japan.
Yeah?
See.
I said to her, Sunny Pill, look at me.
Yeah.
I'm not like the NRL where you can play over there and you come back to me later. I said, no. You treat me right. He said because of my facial hair.
He is so...
But all the women in my family have facial hair. How am I supposed to know the difference?
That's so cruel. See, we didn't know you were going through such troubles
I
of
mean,
your...
I love your facial hair.
Yeah, it's sexy and it's hot. It's regarded as sexy and hot in some parts of the nation.
Yeah, like with
Wait,
the
what
wine.
part?
It'll be fine. See you guys later. Okay.
I'm so sorry to hear that because you know Sunny Bill.
Yeah.
He used to go out with me for a couple of hours.
You're joking.
No, we did a whole segment last year.
Oh,
on
throw me
Friends.
up. Throw me up.